Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Today I'm making walnut cookies. For a list of ingredients and more information, please check the description box below. Let's begin. Finely grind the walnuts. I would like to say thank you so much for coming through to watch my video. Your support is valuable to me. Now, add sugar, mix, then separate the eggs into whites and yolks. Add egg whites to the nuts and mix. Sift flour into a mixing bowl. Add baking powder and little bit of sugar. Add softened butter, egg yolks, vanilla essence, mix, then rub the flour between your hands. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you like it here. Add water and mix. Once the dough comes together, wrap it with a plastic wrap. Put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. From the fridge, divide the dough and the filling, the nut filling, wrap the other half, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Sprinkle flour if the dough is sticky, roll it flat, cut the edges to make them straight and fill it with half nut mixture. Now fold close the dough. Cut it as shown in the video. Repeat the process on the other half of the dough with the filling. Please press the like button and leave a comment below to add more value to this video. Place the cookie dough in a baking tray that is lined and bake them for about 20 minutes or until they are golden. Once the cookies cook entirely, sprinkle with icing sugar and serve. Let's have coffee. Let's have tea. I hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.